Rwandan Business Compliance Hub website. To get to the website, you have to go to the URL, and when you go to the URL, it will take you to this page, the home page. On the web home page, you have the link that takes you back to the home if you click on it. And it tells you about the capability of the website. The Rwandan Business Compliance Hub is a comprehensive guide for business compliance in Rwanda. It is interactive learning that gives you step-by-step guides and practical examples for business compliance. Also, it has a compliance calendar where it has personalized deadlines and automated notifications. It has the ability for you to store your documents for later retrieval. So it's very secure and it's a cloud storage where you can have all your business documents stored. If you are new to the Rwandan Business Compliance Hub, when you get to the page, you will see these buttons. You have the help button that kind of give you information about the how to maneuver and get around the website. You have the login. If you are an existing user, you click on it and that will take you to the login page where you can log in. If you are brand new to the website, you have to register first to be able to use the site. So let's start, assume that there's a new user, and then what the user will do is click on register. Also, you have the ability to switch languages, English, Kinyarwanda, and French, or whatever. Sorry. So let's go to the register and click on it. That will take me to this page. On this page, I will put in my um, I'll put in my email address and password, and of course the company that I belong to, and then I will click on register. On the, for this situation, I have already registered. So since I have already registered, I will go to the login page, and then put in my email address and password and click on login. When I log in successfully, either through registering as a new user or log in as an existing user, I will be brought to this page. On this page, I have more tabs available to me. Of course, you have the change of language. If I choose to go to Rwanda or French, I'm sorry, I will switch to that. I can log out if I want to, but in this case, I want to go through all these other tabs to show you the capabilities. I have already shown you the help. Actually, the help tab, as I said, if you are new or you want to kind of learn a little bit about the site, you click on the help. That will give you all this information and tabs. You can go to overview, gives you an overview of what the application does. You have the features tab. You can drill down on each and it tells you information on what each of those does. For example, it has the AI chat assistant, which is showing on the right hand side. And it tells you that it will take in or you can ask it any compliance related questions and it will answer it. You can get instant answers from an AI assistant because it's AI enabled. You can ask follow up questions if you wish for clarification. You can access chat history for references and all that good stuff. So, this is the chat compliance assistant. You have the ability to minimize it, and if you want to use it, you click on this icon right here. That will bring it back up. And then this is the text area for you to type in your questions and whatever you want to ask it. So let's go to the next tab up, the learning tab. In the learning tab, you have basic business compliance, task, regulations, employment compliance, industry specific requirements. So you can go to each one of these tabs and then as you click on each tab, you can drill down. I can go back to the modules if I want to go to tax regulations, I click on it, and then I can drill down. So when I do that, let me minimize this compliance assistant. When I go to the tax regulations, I will be able to learn about tax registration requirement and procedures. And then I'll click on next. It will take me to value added tax and then where I can do things about the filing requirements, input and output, value added tax, record keeping and all that good stuff. And then I'll click on next. It takes me to the corporate income tax where I will be given information about the corporate income tax. Then I go to next, and then it gives me tax compliance best practices. And then when it's done, I can go back. If you look at here, this section gives you the percentage of completion. All right. And then I go back, and then I can go back to any of the other tabs if I want to drill down on each one, and then go through for example, this the industry specific requirements. Then I click on next, next, next. If you look at here, it's giving me the percentage of completion. All right, and then I'll always go back to the modules if I want to move around in the interactive learning modules. So you have the calendar tab. This tab actually gives you helps track important deadlines and where you can stay compliant. and it gives you either you can view all the deadlines or you can go to specific deadline, like for example, deadline, licensing, employment deadline, financial deadline, insurance, and all that good stuff. Then you have the ability to upload important business documents if you wish. It's very secure. Um, you can go in there, click on it, and go to where the files are on your hard drive, and then select the file and upload it. So, for example, let me just select a sample file here, and then click on upload. See, the document has been uploaded, and then I can delete it or download it if I am on a different computer. So in this case, I will delete it. Okay. Then you have the assessment, which evaluate your business compliance status through the interactive assessment tool. You can click on each one and then answer the questions until completion. Okay. So I'll go back to the compliance AI by going to this link that takes me back to the home, and then I will click on the chat compliance assistant. I can ask it any questions about compliance, business compliance, or anything about business uh, information in Rwanda. So I'll ask it, can you list 10 business compliance in Rwanda? It's an example. So I'll click on this button. If you notice, it has changed and now it's thinking. It's trying to retrieve the information. So now I got the information. You can read it and all the stuff. If you have any follow-up questions, you can go ahead and give it or ask it the follow-up questions and all that good stuff. So you have the ability to clear your chat history if you want to, where it will prompt you if you really want to clear it. You say it clear and it will clear it. And then of course you can minimize this and then go back to that button and click if you need it. This is a high level overview of the Rwandan compliance, actual Rwanda Business Compliance Hub. When you're done, you can click on log out. That will take you back to this page and the ability to log back in, or if you're a new user, you register. That's all I have. Thank you.